Well, for the next trick, you're gonna need some cardio. You think just 3 scarves, they're super light. This next trick is a little bit of a workout. I'm gonna juggle 3 scarves, not with 2 hands. I'm gonna juggle 3 scarves with just 1 hand. And at the end of this tutorial, you can do it too. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab 1 scarf with just your pinky. You're gonna grab 1 scarf with these 2 fingers, and you get 1 scarf here. So now you're gonna start, you're gonna remember columns, just like the columns with the 2 scarves. So you're gonna do it now. 1 column here, 1 column here, and 1 column over here. And they're gonna move. So you're gonna go. This is some cardio. You see, I need to go running because this is the longest I can do for now. But with some practice, you can beat me. And if you beat me in the duration, let me know in the comments that you can do this better than me. Make your own video. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more, hit the subscribe button and more videos will be coming your way soon.